Rear end moldings can take a lot of use over the years, especially being part of the trunk. When it's time to replace, we've got an identical reproduction for you. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1967 through 69 Chevelle upper and lower rear end moldings. We introduced our Chevelle rear end panel moldings into reproduction in 1988. Since then, we've sold thousands of them to satisfied Chevelle owners everywhere. These are sold individually or in a pair at a discounted price for your convenience. These moldings are manufactured from premium quality extruded T3 aluminum. We use case hardened steel tooling to ensure your molding is authentic. At the end of the production line, each molding is anodized and touched up with a baked on enamel just like the originals. In addition, each molding includes the attaching hardware and clips, making installation a snap. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.